Evening. Today we are going to discuss about future continuous tense, that is future progressive tense. So in this video we will study about the use of future continuous tense, the rules of future continuous tense and the structure of future continuous tense with examples. So stay on this video and do not skip until the video comes to an end. Thanks for your patience. So let us start. First we will discuss about a Hindi medium students. If you are a Hindi medium student, you will find that in Hindi, usually the sentences that have रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे, etc. In the end of the sentence, then they make the sentence in English in future continuous or future progressive. But if you are an English medium student, a CBSE board, ICSE board, or any other board, or living in any country of the world, and you want to learn English through English, then this video is for you. So let us start. Future continuous tense is used for when, in which condition we make a sentence in future continuous tense. For example, let's see. For an action that will be in progress, for an action that will be in progress at some time in future time, means an action that is going on, that continues in future time, that action will be expressed in future continuous tense. This is the point one, the use number one. And second, the second point is that a program or plan that will take place in future time, means future continuous tense is also used for a program or a plan that is going to take place, that will take place in future time. So there are two main uses of future continuous tense. First, an action that will be continuing, that will continue, that is in progress, that will be in progress in future time at some time. Second, a plan or program that will take place, that will happen in future time. Now let's go to the structure and rule for this tense is that the structure is the sentence, for affirmative sentence, the sentence starts with subject, then we use will be or shall be. As you know, as you have already known, as you have already studied, that shall be is used for first person subject and will be used for second person and third person. Then we use the base form of verb with ing, means also you can say that present participle form. After that we use object, and then the other words, all other words that are remaining, that are left in the sentence are used. So now I am going to tell you example for this future continuous tense. So the example will be for both Hindi medium student and other students. Okay, the example is बच्चा रो रहा होगा. So let's see, बच्चा रो रहा होगा. This sentence will be written in future continuous tense. For Hindi medium students, you can see that there is रहा होगा, and for other students, बच्चा रो रहा होगा means that an action that will continue, that will be in progress in future time. So the sentence will be, the answer will be, bachcha is subject, so subject means child, then it is third person, so we will use will, then be will be, फिर weep or cry means cry plus ing, crying, child will be crying. This is a future action that will be going on in future time. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, मैं कल शाम को मैनेजर से मिल रहा हूँगा या मिलूंगा। इट्स ऑल्सो a program. It's a program that will take place in future time. In this condition, we can use future continuous tense. It means the sentence will be, I shall be meeting the manager. I shall be meeting the manager tomorrow in the evening. This is all that I wanted to tell you in future continuous tense. I hope you have understood the use, the rule of future continuous tense. For more videos like this, please follow my Facebook page, Facebook profile and YouTube channel. Thank you very much.